Imagine walking into a skyscraper where the windows clean themselves, the walls generate electricity. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, these futuristic ideas are already here, and they're changing the way our cities are built forever. From smart homes to smart cities, technology is revolutionizing the very buildings we live and work in. No longer just concrete and steel, today's structures are intelligent, energy efficient, and connected like never before. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the smartest building technologies that are reshaping urban life. These innovations not only make buildings more sustainable, but also safer, more comfortable, and more efficient. Whether it's glass that tints itself, robots that construct skyscrapers, or artificial intelligence managing entire city blocks, the future of architecture is already here. So let's step inside tomorrow's cities. Today, 1. Smart glass and dynamic windows. One of the most groundbreaking technologies in modern buildings is smart glass, also known as electrochromic glass. Unlike traditional windows, these panes can automatically adjust their tint based on sunlight and temperature. On a hot summer day, the glass darkens to block heat, reducing the need for air conditioning. On cold days, it becomes clear to let in warmth and natural light. Some versions even switch instantly with the touch of a button or an app. This not only cuts energy costs, but also improves comfort for people inside. Major companies like View, Inca, and Sage Glass are already installing this technology in airports, office towers, and even hospitals. Imagine a city skyline where windows are alive, constantly shifting, adapting, and saving energy. 2. Vertical gardens and living walls. Cities are concrete jungles, but what if buildings could become forests too? Enter vertical gardens and living walls. These are walls covered with plants, designed to improve air quality, reduce heat, and bring nature into urban spaces. Not only are they beautiful, but they also fight the urban heat island effect, where cities trap more heat than surrounding areas. Living walls act as insulation, reducing heating and cooling needs while also filtering pollutants from the air. Famous examples include the Bosco Verticale Towers in Milan, covered in over 20,000 trees and shrubs. It's not just an architectural statement, it's a climate solution. As cities grow denser, vertical gardens may be the green lungs of the future. 3. 3D printing and construction. Building an entire house in 24 hours? That's now possible thanks to 3D printing technology. Using large-scale printers that extrude concrete or other materials, entire structures can be built faster, cheaper, and with less waste. In Mexico and Dubai, 3D printed homes and offices are already being constructed, providing affordable housing solutions in futuristic office spaces. This method also allows for customized, complex designs that would be expensive or impossible with traditional construction. As the technology advances, we could see skyscrapers, bridges, and even entire neighborhoods printed on demand, changing the speed and cost of urban development forever. 4. Internet of Things, IoT. Buildings. Imagine a building that senses your presence, adjusts the lights, sets the temperature, and even manages security, all automatically. That's the power of the Internet of Things, IoT, in smart buildings. IoT uses interconnected sensors and devices to monitor and control everything from energy usage to air quality. For example, smart HVAC systems learn patterns of usage and adjust themselves for maximum efficiency. Motion sensors turn off lights in unused rooms, while connected elevators optimize passenger flow. Companies like Siemens and Honeywell are leading this revolution, creating digital twins of entire buildings. Virtual models that predict maintenance needs before breakdowns even occur. It's like giving buildings a brain. 5. Energy-generating facades and solar skins. What if your building's walls could power the entire structure? Thanks to energy-generating facades, this is becoming reality. These facades are integrated with solar skins, thin, flexible solar panels that blend seamlessly into walls or windows. Unlike traditional rooftop solar, these panels cover the entire exterior, producing more energy while maintaining a sleek design. Imagine a skyscraper that generates its own electricity just by standing in the sun. The Copenhagen International School already uses 12,000 solar panels on its facade, meeting half of its energy needs. In the future, city skylines could double as massive solar farms. 6. Smart elevators and vertical transport. As cities grow taller, elevators are evolving too. Smart elevators now use algorithms to predict passenger demand and reduce waiting times. Some can even transport people horizontally as well as vertically. For example, ThyssenKrupp's multi-system uses magnetic levitation, the same tech behind high-speed trains, to move elevator cabins without cables. This means multiple cabins can run in the same shaft, drastically reducing congestion in skyscrapers. These elevators don't just save time, they transform what's possible in building design, making megastructures of the future far more efficient. 7. Robotics in construction and maintenance. From bricklaying robots to drones that inspect skyscrapers, robotics is transforming construction and building maintenance. Robots can work 24/7 without fatigue, drastically reducing construction timelines. Bricklaying robots like SAM-100 lay thousands of bricks a day, while drones scan building exteriors for cracks or damage, making maintenance safer and cheaper. Even cleaning windows on a 100-story skyscraper is no longer a risky job for humans. Robots are taking over. This tech not only speeds up construction, but also increases safety in an industry where accidents are common. 8. Modular and prefabricated buildings. Another game changer is modular construction, where entire rooms or building sections are built in factories and then assembled on site. This approach reduces waste, ensures higher quality, and slashes construction time by up to 50%. In some cases, hotels and apartment buildings have been fully assembled in just weeks. In cities like New York and London, modular skyscrapers are already reshaping skylines. It's like Legos for grown-ups, except these Legos are 30 stories tall. 9. Artificial intelligence in building management. AI isn't just running chatbots, it's running buildings. Artificial intelligence, AI, can analyze massive amounts of data to optimize energy use, predict maintenance needs, and even adjust spaces to make people more comfortable. For example, AI can learn when a conference room is usually booked and preset the temperature and lighting. It can also flag unusual energy spikes or detect security risks. This leads to massive cost savings and reduced carbon footprints, while also improving user experience. Cities of the future won't just have smart buildings, they'll have intelligent ecosystems. 10. Self-healing concrete. Cracks in concrete are inevitable, but what if the concrete could heal itself? That's the promise of self-healing concrete, a material infused with bacteria or special chemicals that activate when cracks form. When water enters a crack, the bacteria produce limestone, sealing the gap automatically. This extends the life of structures and reduces repair costs dramatically. With infrastructure around the world aging, self-healing concrete could save billions in maintenance and make our cities more resilient than ever. The cities of tomorrow are already rising before our eyes. From self-healing concrete and 3D printed homes to AI-powered smart buildings and solar facades, technology is transforming not just how buildings look, but how they live and breathe. These innovations don't just make buildings smarter, they make them greener, safer, and more human-centered. They reduce waste, cut energy use, and create spaces that adapt to us, rather than the other way around. As urban populations grow, these technologies aren't just cool, they're necessary. They're the difference between overcrowded, polluted megacities and thriving, sustainable communities. The question is, which of these innovations will define the skyline of your city in the next 10 years? Let us know in the comments which building technology you're most excited about. And if you enjoyed this journey into the future of architecture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the technologies changing our world.